Hey, Real Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look at data on your SellerAmp and Keepa to do some product research for your Amazon FA business. But before we start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my weekly Amazon coaching calls, and it's also a good place for you Amazon sellers to network with other sellers. So that said, this is how you guys do your product research, right? So you guys open up both tabs, right? The tab on your Amazon page and the tab from your supplier. And the first step you guys are going to do is you guys are going to match your products and see if they're the same, right? So this one is a GG cat slipper, size 4 to 5, and the price. Let me see, sorry. And then here it's about the same. So it's a GG orange cat, size 4 to 5. Okay. And the price on Walgreens is $7.99. Let's see, Rakuten. I think Rakuten is giving another 15%. Let's see, maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. So Rakuten is giving you 15% off on this product, right? And then here, Walgreens is giving you another 20%. So now you go to your SellerAmp. You plug in your numbers, right? Which is $7.99, and then you add the discount, which is 35%. I mean, there's no 35% here, so we'll pick 30%, and then we're going to add another 5%, right, on the ROI. And from here, we look at the sales per month. So this one is selling at 560 times a month. This one is a variation, though. It says right there. So now we go down here and look at the variation. Click on variation here, and then right there, you pick the variation, and then you click on check. So this variation is getting 100% of the sales, which means this exact variation is getting 560 sales a month, which is good, right? And then now you're going to look at the other sellers. And now you got to decide if, wait a second. Okay, sorry. So, and then you're going to decide if you're willing to share 560 sales a month with these other sellers, right? At 120% ROI, at least. And from here, you can also look at the Keepa chart. Oh man, it's interesting. So what's interesting about this product is that it used to sell right here, and then here there's no sellers from, I want to say, October all the way till this year. So it's either they sold out or there's an issue with this product. So we can zoom out and see if there's anything more strange here. So I mean, this graph is honestly pretty weird. But right here, it could be just because this product sold out, and then back here, starting in December 30th or 27th, right? The product is back on stock. So yeah, I think it's good. There's some risk to this, but looking at the sales per month though and the ROI, this one is giving you a high sales per month and high ROI. So to me, this is a good, risk to take, because if it works out, it's going to give you a lot of sales and percentage. And if it doesn't, you're only really spending $8 per product, so it's not really risky. So yeah, to me, this is worth risk. And again, just do a test buy, maybe. Or if you're feeling, I guess, risky, because this one is also on clearance, right? So this one's going to be up to you. I usually say do a test buy. especially for riskier products. But for this one is a clearance one, so you might have to go deep on this one and just take the risk. So it's going to be really up to you. Okay, but as far as the data, it looks good. It makes sense. And the risk is just it's because of Keepa here. That's the only risk that I see. But outside of this, it looks good. So next one. So again, we just make sure that the products match. So this one is 54 mm for mm. Filter 2-cup dual wall. 2-cup dual wall filter. Okay, looks good. Looks good. So it's $7.95, right? This product. $7.95. Okay. So this one is selling at 344 times a month. ROI is 30%. Okay, it's good. Wow, there's a lot of sellers, honestly, but there's enough volume though. So this one is selling at 344 times a month, right? A lot of sales. I mean, also a lot of sellers, honestly, because there's 43 sellers here. It's giving you a decent ROI, at least 30%. The current buy box is giving you a 50% ROI. So it's looking good. I mean, the only concern with this though is that there's a lot of other sellers. So there's 48 sellers, right? Selling the same product. So that could be the risk. But as far as the volume goes, sales volume, there's a lot of sales too happening in here. So I think it's pretty okay. As far as the Keepa chart, I mean, it's pretty stable. It's been sitting at like $25 pretty consistently, and then here it's kind of dipping. It's kind of dipping here. It's kind of up and down here, right? So the bottom price here is like $19, and then the top price is about $23 or $25. Fluctuates. So, but I usually like to look at the number here. So the current sellers, right, are selling this at $19 all the way to like $23. And even at the bottom price, right, you're still getting a 30% ROI. And the current buy box is giving you a 50% ROI. So to me, this is a great product. And yeah, that's all for my video tonight or today. I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, I'm going to post my link in my description below if you guys want to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and also it's a good place for you Amazon sellers to network and hang out with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.